सो वेलकम गाइस टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लेकर आ गए हैं आईसीएसई क्लास 10 का केमिस्ट्री के 2019 के सॉल्यूशंस। सो रेडी हो जाइए देखने के लिए आपके कौन से आंसर सही हैं और कौन से आंसर गलत। तो मैं आज सेक्शन एक ही वीडियो लेकर आ पाया हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को। जो आज की हमारे जो पेपर आया केमिस्ट्री का बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान था। सेक्शन ए में जो था फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट विच कम्प्लीटली डिसोसिएट्स इनटू आयन। कोई भी स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ले सकते थे, इनमें सभी में से ये सभी वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट से एक ही था स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, और वो था डी, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। द मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग आर क्लोरीन बिकॉज इट लाइज इन ग्रुप 7A। थर्ड, द रीजन फॉर यूजिंग एल्यूमिनियम इन द अलॉय, एल्यूमिनियम गिव्स द स्ट्रेंथ। द ड्राइंग एजेंट यूज टू ड्राई HCl gas is concentrated H2SO4. The hydrocarbon which is a greenhouse gas, it is methane. Conversion of ethanol to ethene by action of concentrated sulfuric acid is an example of dehydration, because as you see this is ethanol. From if we remove water, so it will become ethene. When sodium chloride is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid given below 200 degrees Celsius, one of the product formed is sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate, NaHSO4. Ammonia reacts with excess chlorine to form nitrogen trichloride. Substitution reactions are characteristics of alkanes. In period 3, the most metallic element is sodium. Write a balanced chemical equation for each of the following. First, reduction of copper to oxide by hydrogen. H2 plus CuO gives Cu plus H2O. Action of dilute sulfuric acid on sodium hydroxide. We take sodium hydroxide plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Action of dilute sulfuric acid on zinc sulfide. As it is a property of acid base, if an acid reacts with sulfide, it forms H2S gas, so there the equation is written. Ammonium hydroxide is added to ferrous sulfate solution. NH4OH plus FeSO4 gives ammonium sulfate plus FeOH2. Chlorine gas is reacted with ethene. Here we can react chlorine with ethene, so it forms C2H4Cl2. You can check the structural formula: C single bond C, HHH and CCCl and Cl. Give one appropriate observations. Concentrated nitric acid is reacted with sulfur. So when the concentrated nitric acid reacts with sulfur, NO2 gas is produced. So we can write reddish brown colored NO2 is produced. Ammonia gas is passed over heated copper 2 oxide. So when ammonia gas is passed through copper 2 oxide, it is reduced and the color darkens and it becomes a black color. Copper sulfate solution is electrolyzed using copper anodes. Here the diagram is made. You can see at anode, copper gives the ions and loses electrons. Therefore, the size of anode will decrease and size of cathode will increase. Fourth, a small piece of zinc is added to dilute hydrochloric acid. You can see the reaction that Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl plus H2. Hydrogen gas is evolved, which burns with a pop-up sound. Fifth, lead nitrate is heated strongly in a test tube. When lead nitrate is heated, then a reddish brown gas NO2 is released out. The E is a numerical. It is a very simple numerical. I am only giving the answers. So first part 0.375 moles. Second 0.2 grams. Second, we have to give the empirical formula. So you can see the common coming 3. We can divide by 3 and the empirical formula will come C2H5O. Here we have to give IUPAC names. Here you can see there are 3 carbon bonds of prop and there is triple bond at first position, so ine. So the answer is propine. In second there are 2 carbons and an aldehyde group OH and an aldehyde group attached. So 2 carbons mean but, single bond N, and its aldehyde group, so L, butanol. Third, what is specific feature of the structure of ethine? The specific feature is that C has a triple bond. Name the saturated hydrocarbon containing 2 carbon atoms. It's ethane. The saturated carbons are alkanes and having 2 carbons means ethane. Give the structural formula of acetic acid. The structural formula of acetic acid is C, single bond COOH. We can complete the valence electrons with H of C. Give the appropriate term defined by the statements. First, the formula that represents the simplest ratio of various elements present in one molecule of the compound. It's called empirical formula. The substance that releases hydronium ion as an only positive ion when dissolved in water. So, if you can clearly see, it is a definition of acid. So, answer is acids. The tendency of an atom to attract electrons towards itself when combined to a covalent compound. From the word covalent compound, it's very much clear that it's electronegativity. The process by which certain ores, especially carbonates, means carbonates are only converted to their oxides in absence of air by the process called calcination. The covalent bond in which the electrons are shared equally between combining atoms are nonpolar. Arrange the following according to the instructions given below. First, in increasing order of their reactivity. If you have learned the reactivity series, you can see the lead is at bottom, Zn at above, Ca means calcium at top, and potassium at uttermost top. So we can write Pb less than Zn less than Ca less than K. So next, in order of preferable discharge at cathode, we know on reactivity series which is at bottom, discharge the first. So H plus, Cu2 plus, Mg2 plus and Na1 plus. The next, third, in the decreasing order of their ionization potential, we know down the group ionization potential decreases. So first, which has highest ionization potential is H, then Li, then Na and then K. Fourth, in increasing order of their electron affinity. So we have first to write the element which have the smallest electron affinity from these. So the answer is BNOF. Fifth, we have to increase them in increasing order of their molecular weights. So first we can calculate the molecular weights of ethane, methane, ethene and ethine as given below. I have calculated, you can see. So in increasing order we have to arrange. So first is methane, second is ethine, third is ethene and fourth is ethane. So guys, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for our latest updates.